Everyone, today I will help you and teach you how to set our control panel, the LED display showing data. Sometimes we call it scrolling display. And how to do it, you see, I press the run button, make the drive running. So the two drives are running now. Some customers, they want to see the DC bus, the current, and the voltage and the power. So they will use the press shift button to monitor the technical data, right? But we have one parameter to make the drive showing all the technical data automatically scrolling display. So, for example, we can set this parameter P21 P21.00 to 1. Press ENT. You see, default is 0, okay? It's like this. And we press ENT 1. Now you will see the difference. This inverter will automatically show the DC bus voltage, frequency, and current, and output power. But this one only shows 50 Hz. So it depends on your customer request. You can choose this one or you can choose this one. Thank you.